Welcome to Uncommon Facts, your ultimate channel for exploring everything extraordinary. Are you ready to uncover truths and debunk myths across all realms of knowledge? From history's hidden stories to tomorrow's technology, from Earth's deep mysteries to cosmic enigmas, we dive deep into it all. Every week, we bring you facts that are as fascinating as they are rare. Dive into stories that will astonish, educate, and inspire. So make sure to subscribe and join us as we uncover the secrets of the unusual and the unknown. Here, every fact is a journey, and every story is an adventure. Join us every week as we bring you surprising revelations and strange facts that will challenge your understanding of the world around you. So hit that subscribe button, and let's start unraveling the mysteries of the universe together. Remember, every discovery tells a story, and every fact opens a door. Stay curious and prepare to be amazed. This is Uncommon Facts, where the only thing you can expect is the unexpected. Hello, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be discussing some of the most extreme survival strategies used by animals in the natural world, ranging from unique hibernation methods to unusual reproductive tactics. One of the most well-known survival strategies is hibernation, a process where animals dramatically slow their metabolic rate, reducing energy consumption during harsh conditions. Nature is a battleground where the ultimate goal is survival. For many animals, survival requires more than just strength or speed. It demands creativity, adaptability, and sometimes extreme measures. These adaptations can be bizarre, mind-boggling, and sometimes downright ingenious. 1. Hibernation, the art of slowing down. One of the most well-known survival strategies is hibernation, a process where animals dramatically slow their metabolic rate, reducing energy consumption during harsh conditions. Brown bears. Brown bears are perhaps the most iconic hibernators. Before winter, these massive mammals eat an enormous amount of food, building up fat reserves. During hibernation, their heart rate slows from 40 to 50 beats per minute to just 8 to 10. They can hibernate for months without eating, drinking, or even waking up. Amazingly, they don't lose much muscle or bone mass during this time. Wood frogs. While brown bears might nap through winter, the wood frog takes hibernation to a whole new level. These frogs freeze solid. Ice crystals form inside their bodies, and their heart stops beating. To survive this, wood frogs produce a natural antifreeze, glucose, in their cells, preventing internal damage. When spring arrives, they thaw out and continue life as if nothing happened. Alpine marmots. The alpine marmot, found in Europe's high-altitude regions, spends about 90% of its life hibernating. These rodents dig elaborate burrows where they hibernate in groups for warmth. Their body temperature can drop to nearly the ambient temperature of the surrounding Earth, a drastic reduction that conserves energy. 2. Extreme heat tolerance, surviving the scorching desert. Life in the desert is brutal, with temperatures soaring during the day and plummeting at night. To survive, some animals have developed astonishing heat tolerance mechanisms. Camel. When thinking about desert survival, the camel naturally comes to mind. They are masters at conserving water, able to go days without drinking. Camels have specialized red blood cells that are oval-shaped, allowing them to flow freely even when the camel is dehydrated. Their humps store fat, which can be converted into energy in water. Saharan silver ant. The Saharan silver ant can survive surface temperatures that would kill most other creatures. These ants have specialized heat shock proteins that allow them to endure up to 128 degrees Fahrenheit, 53.6 degrees Celsius. Their shiny, metallic-looking bodies reflect sunlight, and they limit their exposure to the sun by darting out of their burrows only for a few minutes each day to forage. Desert tortoise. Desert tortoises are experts at water conservation. They dig underground burrows to escape the heat and can store water in their bladder for months. If rain does come, they drink quickly and store excess water for future use. Their ability to regulate hydration and avoid the scorching sun allows them to thrive in the arid desert. 3. Reproductive strategies. The bizarre and the extreme. When it comes to ensuring the survival of their species, animals have evolved some truly unusual reproductive strategies. From sacrificing themselves to protecting their young in unique ways, these animals show how far evolution will go to ensure the next generation. Male redback spider. The male redback spider employs a reproductive strategy that is both bizarre and deadly. After mating, the male often sacrifices himself, offering his body as a meal to the much larger female. This suicidal strategy increases the male's chances of fathering offspring, as a well-fed female is less likely to mate again with another male. Suriname toad. Reproduction in the Suriname toad is a nightmarish spectacle. After mating, the female lays eggs on her back, where the skin grows over them, embedding the eggs. Once they hatch, tiny toads emerge from pockets on her back. This unusual form of maternal care offers the developing toads protection from predators during their most vulnerable stages. Clownfish. Clownfish engage in sequential hermaphroditism. Born as males, they have the ability to change sex. In clownfish social structures, the dominant individual is always a female, and when she dies, the largest male transforms into a female. This ensures that there is always a breeding female in the group. 4. Chemical warfare. Defending with poison and venom. Nature's arms race has led to some animals developing toxic and venomous survival strategies that allow them to defend themselves or hunt more efficiently. Poison dart frog. These small, brightly colored frogs are among the most poisonous animals in the world. Their skin secretes toxic alkaloids that can cause paralysis or death in predators. Indigenous peoples of South America have even used their poison to tip blow darts for hunting. The bright colors of poison dart frogs act as a warning signal to predators, a strategy known as aposematism. Box jellyfish. Box jellyfish have one of the most dangerous venoms known to humankind. Their tentacles are equipped with nematocysts, tiny, venom-filled cells that can be triggered by contact. The venom is so potent, it can cause heart failure in humans within minutes. For jellyfish, their venom is a defense mechanism and a hunting tool, allowing them to paralyze and capture prey in the water. Bombardier beetle. The bombardier beetle takes chemical warfare to an explosive level. When threatened, it ejects a boiling hot chemical spray from its abdomen. This noxious spray, made up of hydrogen peroxide and hydroquinone, is ejected at high speed and temperature, startling and injuring predators. The beetle's ability to mix these chemicals without damaging itself is a marvel of natural engineering. 5. Camouflage and mimicry. The art of disappearing. Blending into the environment is a critical survival strategy for many animals. Whether for hunting or avoiding predators, camouflage and mimicry allow animals to become virtually invisible. Octopus. Few animals are as skilled at camouflage as the octopus. Using specialized skin cells called chromatophores, octopuses can change the color, texture, and even pattern of their skin to match their surroundings. Some species, like the mimic octopus, take this ability a step further, impersonating other animals like lionfish, sea snakes, and flatfish to avoid predators. Leaf-tailed gecko. Native to Madagascar, the leaf-tailed gecko is a master of disguise. Its body is shaped and colored like a dead leaf, allowing it to blend perfectly into its forest habitat. During the day, these geckos flatten their bodies against tree trunks, using their tail to break up their outline and avoid detection by predators. Pygmy seahorse. The pygmy seahorse is one of the smallest and best camouflaged creatures in the ocean. Living among coral reefs, they match the color and texture of the coral they inhabit. These tiny seahorses are so well camouflaged that they were discovered only after the coral they were living on was collected and examined in a laboratory. 6. Extreme environments. Surviving in the deep sea and high altitudes. Some animals live in environments so extreme that survival seems impossible. Yet these creatures have adapted in ways that allow them to thrive in deep-sea trenches or high-altitude mountains. Tardigrades. Tardigrades, or water bears, are microscopic animals known for their ability to survive the most extreme conditions. These creatures can endure temperatures from just above absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the vacuum of space, intense radiation, and even dehydration. When faced with inhospitable conditions, tardigrades enter a state of cryptobiosis, where they lose almost all their water content and effectively shut down their metabolism. They can survive like this for years, and once conditions improve, they rehydrate and return to life. Bar-headed geese. Bar-headed geese are known for their incredible migration over the Himalayas, flying at altitudes of up to 29,500 feet, higher than Mount Everest. At such altitudes, oxygen levels are dangerously low, but these geese have evolved larger lungs and a more efficient way of using oxygen. Their hemoglobin has a higher affinity for oxygen, allowing them to survive in thin air where most animals would perish. Deep-sea anglerfish. In the crushing depths of the ocean, where light does not penetrate, the anglerfish has evolved an extraordinary way to hunt. These fish use a bioluminescent lure, a light-producing organ called an esca, to attract prey in the pitch-black waters. The anglerfish's grotesque appearance and hunting technique are perfectly suited for life in the deep ocean, where food is scarce and competition is fierce. So this is our today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Uncommon Facts, a channel that is entertaining as well as informative, or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.